Hello and welcome back to TargetOne channel. In this session we are going to cover how you can run a meeting effectively and how to be an effective organizer or host of a meeting. At the end of this session, we expect you to have better awareness on how to run meeting in order to achieve the purpose in 6 steps. So we will try to explain step by step using a scenario, and before you call for a meeting, you need to understand the purpose of the meeting and if it's really required. Consider that you are a new joiner and you have been allocated a task to discuss with the team and finalize a place for team outing. Now say you have a list of places, and you need to finalize one out of it, so you need to discuss with the team and hence you are arranging a meeting to discuss. And before moving into the meeting you have given the team some time to vote against the location list. So a rough agenda would look something like this as you see on the screen. You would like to start by introducing the attendees with the agenda, so basically you are going to present the result of the vote, thereby finalizing one location, and then discuss on mode of transportation followed by food supplies we require during the journey and how much it would cost per head and when do you plan to go for the outing, and at the end of the session you will be issuing the outcome of the meeting in form of minutes of meeting. Successful meetings have a clear purpose, and having a meeting agenda clearly help understands what is the expected discussion that's going to happen and helps the participants to prepare for it accordingly. Once you have a rough sketch of the agenda, it's now time to identify the required participants during the meeting. In our scenario all the team members are required. So on our meeting invite we will enter all the team members' email address in the required field, and enter our manager's name in the optional field on the invite. Now that you have identified the participants, it's time to schedule the meeting. You would like to find a common slot that is available for all. In our scenario we are using Outlook application to schedule meetings, so in Outlook you have an option called as Scheduling Assistant, which I would be showing next. And if you would click on it, it will display the available time slot the team has, and based on that you can decide whether you must keep a 30 minutes duration or an hour meeting. It depends on your team's availability. This is a very helpful option that Microsoft Outlook provides, and it helps avoid meeting conflicts. Say if you just have 30 minutes, so would have to time box or limit your discussion around each points on your agenda. This is how it would look when you click on Scheduling Assistant option in Microsoft Outlook to identify a common slot for the attendees. As you can see, we have a slot available between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., so you can send the meeting invite for that duration. Now while you have started your discussion from the start of the agenda, it would be beneficial if you can capture the keynotes or identify a person who can do that in your behalf, so that you can revisit it after the meeting and send the minutes of meeting detailing the outcome of the meeting. Once you have concluded your meeting, it's a best practice to send out minutes of meeting after the session so that everyone is clear what was agreed and what are key actions. As you can see on the screen, this is a sample minutes of meeting. We have agreed that we have finalized KSID Beach as a location for the team outing, and 14 members would travel via Tempo Traveler and 3 members are coming via their own transport. Atul and Priya will be getting snacks for the journey. We have agreed that we are ready to pay 1,000 rupees per head as the cost for the outing, and journey start date is 15th of June at 9 a.m. This brings to end of our session. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and until next time, take care.